In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a speed camera in the Waze map editor. To get started, open Google Chrome and go to the Waze map editor portal. Once the editor has fully loaded, take a moment to make sure the map is responsive and that all editing tools are visible on the screen. Working in Chrome is helpful because the editor is designed to run smoothly there, which can make the process more reliable and easier to follow from beginning to end. Next, navigate through the map and locate the exact road intersection where the speed camera is physically installed. This part is very important because the accuracy of the report depends on placing the camera in the correct real-world location. You can zoom in closely to confirm you are selecting the right intersection and nearby road alignment. If needed, pan around the area slowly and compare the map layout with the known camera position so the placement is as precise as possible. Once you have identified the correct location, move to the top editing toolbar and click the camera icon. This opens the camera reporting option within the editor. Be sure you are clicking the camera tool itself from the main toolbar, since that is what allows you to create the report directly on the map. After that, choose Speed Camera from the available drop-down categorization list. Selecting the correct camera type matters because it helps ensure the report is reviewed and interpreted properly during verification. Take a second to confirm that Speed Camera is the selected option before continuing, especially if the menu contains several similar camera categories. With the correct type selected and the location confirmed, complete the process by saving your changes. Saving submits the live report for verification, which means it will be reviewed before becoming part of the map data. This final step is essential because if you leave the editor without saving, the report will not be submitted. As a final tip, always double check both the location and the selected camera category before saving. Even a small placement error can affect the usefulness of the report. Once everything looks correct, save confidently and your submission will be sent for verification. And that's how to add a speed camera in the Waze map editor.